Minister in charge of Public Health Engineering, PHE, Marcus N. Marak, on Friday said he would aggressively monitor utilization of funds sanctioned by the central government for providing drinking water to the people of Meghalaya. After chairing his first meeting with the top officials of the department, Marak told reporters that they have apprised him of the position of the department and that he has decided to immediately review the functioning of the department. He expressed confidence that the MDA-2 government will perform well and refuted the opposition allegation of horse trading during the formation of the MDA-2 government.
I tried to know the department and they have apprised me the position of the department, and then tomorrow I'm going to have a review meeting with the entire department officials in committee room here in Secretariat. So there I'll be able to know more about the department. So therefore today's meeting was very brief, only to know the structure of the department.
Minister